Have you heard the saying, tricks of the trade? If you do the same task repeatedly, it becomes easier for your brain to process. For instance, point 0.5, 1/2, and 50% are the same number. They're just expressed differently. Maybe you memorized this from a teacher, or maybe you discovered it by working with decimal fractions, percentages, and notice their relationship, or a combination of different resources. Mastery comes from practice, and expertise comes from experiment. Based on the order of operations, addition, subtraction, all on the same level. Therefore, you would simply go left to right when there are more than two operands, such as a number. However, we will include parentheses which do first as a grouping from gamma. However, we will include parentheses which you do first as a grouping from gamma, or more specifically, the P as in parentheses in PEMDAS. Calculate 2 plus 3 inside the parentheses first, then multiply the result by 8. Calculate 12 minus 3 inside the parentheses first, then multiply the result by 4. For more examples, see the description below for seeing how to download the free algebra workbook.